Alright, so in this video we are going to be taking a look at the titanium branded welding table or modular welding table from Harbor Freight. The item number on this is going to be 59403. So let's go ahead and take a look at the specs really quick on this. So I'm going to open this and let's see what we're getting here. So table surface of 36 by 24 with a table height of 33¼ inches, maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds, hole diameter of 5/8 with a hole spacing of 2 inches. So that seems to be a standard on most of these low budget modular welding tables or fixture tables, what I like to call them. And since they're 5/8, that seems to be like a little industry standard. So I'm pretty sure a lot of the clamps and brackets and mounts will fit from other tables, so that's pretty cool. So I haven't seen a welding clamp set yet from Harbor Freight. That would be nice if they do include a clamping set so you can have more clamps. But I mean, for what you get a 24-piece set here, enough to get you started. So you get some brackets and the clamps. The clamps do have the high visibility green, just like the titanium branded welders from Harbor Freight. So if you got a titanium welder, it's already colored to match. Harbor Freight, if you're listening, why don't you make a orange one for the Vulcan machines like the one you guys sent me. So Harbor Freight didn't send me this table. I bought this out of my own pocket, but I am thankful that they sent me that Vulcan machine many years ago, which still works, and I will be probably mounting that to the bottom here of my new fixture table here. So you do get everything that's included to set you up. So that includes hardware, all the table legs, or 2 sets of table legs, ones that are short and then the long ones here that you see. So also this bottom rack here, it's not in a rack, it's just to stabilize the table there. And then you get the leveling feet, but everything's included. I will probably modify this table to be a little bit more sturdy, but as it is, it's sturdy enough as it is. So don't mind the trash in the back. Yeah, it's a real shop review. But anyways, this is everything that's included. If you want to pause the video, take a look at all that. You do get some bolts and brackets, all that. Again, the clamps, they feel really good. I mean, you're not going to be clamping this down with such force that you don't want to bend the table. Even though the table is a little bit on the thick side, I consider it on the thick side, so it's probably close to about 1/8, maybe 4 millimeter, but it's a decent thickness for something that's under $200. So Harbor Freight made it at that price point, which is pretty good. When you add tax and everything, you're looking at about $200, a little under or over. So I mean, not bad, especially for like light fabrication shops or hobbyists, of course. And the size, I mean, you can always expand and buy a couple of these and probably put them all together to make a larger table. But that's probably what I will be doing in the future. But I think for the price point and what's included, I think you get a really good deal. So I will be making other videos on the modifications I will be doing to this table, and then probably some demonstration videos for you guys. I'm not going to do that here because I'm trying to keep this video short. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys really quick the assembly diagram for this, for those who are interested in stuff like that. So the thing about this table, it does already come with the frame that it's mounted to, so you don't have to mount. I mean, all you got to do is put the legs together, but everything is like pretty much assembled. So other than having to put the legs and the bottom support, that's pretty much it. You are getting all the included hardware for that too. So yeah, so let me just go ahead and show a video of the parts list there. So you want to pause that video and take a look at that. But also you can look at this owner's manual and safety instructions on a PDF form available through their Harbor Freight website. So if you want to look at it before you actually buy it in the store, you can do that. So anyways, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys my newly assembled fixture table here. and I will have more videos on this, but in the meantime, I think I'll go ahead and leave it at that. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.